What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda. I scoured Amazon for the cheapest deformable LED light, and I found it. I found the cheapest LED deformable light. These things are awesome. And I was thinking, you know, a lot of them are metal and they're pretty high quality, but they're like 40 or 50 bucks. And I thought, man, there's got to be a really cheap one. And so I found this one, and we're going to just quick show it to you. It's actually very much like one I already have. And it's so much so that I actually think it's the same thing, just provided by a wholesaler that is selling it cheaper. That's kind of what I think. So what you can see here is we have an LED light, very frosted plastic, which helps diffuse the light. LEDs behind each of these. I call them petals because the thing looks like a flower to me. E26 bulb base with a little cover, so we won't need that. You can see how it just screws in there. This is all plastic. We have some fins there for structure, and you can put it up like this, screw it in, and then put all these petals up like that, so you're radiating all that light, or you can put them all the way down to just kind of shine straight down, or you can put them at 45-degree angles to kind of get a little bit of both. Both is good. So you can see how it is there. It's really just installing a regular light bulb, and I'm going to show you what this $11 light bulb does. Let's check it out. Well, I went ahead and installed it in my basement in a light bulb socket where I just had a regular light bulb, and I've got it straight down. I mean, look at my hand. This thing is bright. It's actually a little hard to look at. It's nice because with the petals straight out like this, it still throws the light pretty good. And I'm pretty impressed by that. But I've got a lot of things that are bouncing around. It's pretty hard because the exposure keeps bouncing around here. Hey, if you want to pick up this $11 deformable LED bulb, I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter von Panda, out.